All right, I'm going to solve one more system. So hopefully you're following along in the solving systems for Algebra 2 kind of PDF that I created, and you understand why I'm doing this. So this is the solution to the previous thing. So what I want to do is I want to show you a good idea of things you can do when you're working with your calculator. So I've already solved this in this. You notice it's 1.1, 1.2. That means I'm in problem 1. So what I'm going to do is press Document, and go to option 4, insert. And I'm going to actually insert a problem. So when I do this, I get this, I have to pick, I need to graph, so I'm going to pick that. Notice at the top now it's 2.1, so I'm in problem 2, and there's nothing in F1 right now. To go back to the left, I can do Control and then click to the left. So now I'm back here, and you can see there's an F1 and F2, but if I do Control and go back to the right again, I can start over, and that's like a really good thing to do if you start storing a lot of values on your calculator, which hopefully you'll learn how to do and you'll take advantage of. But anyway, so I've already solved these, so I'm just going to type them in. 100 minus 19x over 2, and I'm going to press Enter, and I can see it, which is good. Press Tab, use the division template. You want to use that as often as possible. It gives you a nice fraction instead of having to mess around with parentheses. And then I want over -3, press Enter. So I can see both the lines, but I can't see the intersection. So I'm going to go through the process of zooming out, and then as soon as I can see what I want to see, I'll box around it. So zoom, I can almost see it. I'm going to click one more time. Okay, so I can see the intersection. Go back to Window, go to option 2 for box, and then draw a nice box around it. And there you have it. So I'm going to press Escape because I'm still in the Zoom Box tool. So press Escape, go to Menu. I want to analyze the graph, and I want the intersection point. I need to click to the left, drag to the right, and then click again. And so I get this ordered pair. But again, I'm going to have to round. So the method of solving by graphing is great because it doesn't have to be linear systems, which we'll get to later in the year. But right now we just have linear systems. The problem is I'm getting all these decimals, which means I have to round my answer. But this method will always work to give you approximate solutions. So it's really important that you understand what we're doing. So the solution is x is 6.815 or 6.816, let's say. I'm going to round to 3 decimal places. And y is -14.748, rounded to 3 decimal places. So that's how I would use my calculator to solve by graphing, and I hope you found this helpful. Good luck.